Using for each, we can create ec2 instance as well. Okay, so let's start this exercise. Here also we are defining some variables. Okay, one variable is for AMI ID. Okay, this is the AMI ID. I think it will work. You do not need to replace it. Okay, then the second variable here we are using is T2 micro. Okay. So these are the two mandatory fields we always need for creating an EC2 instance. Okay. So the same logic is used here for each. Okay, instance 1 and instance 2. These are the name of the instances which we'll be creating. Okay, in a loop. Okay, and the AMI ID and the instance type is same. Okay, that's why only the key we have to mention here, that create two instances. So when the first block runs or the first loop runs, instance 1 will be created. Okay, and when the second loop runs, instance 2 will be created. Okay, and the AMI ID and the instance ID type, this is same for both the instances. So it is just taking it from the above variables. The default values are given here. Okay, and remember, in case we need to override it, okay, then we have to, instead of this AMI ID and instead of this variable, okay, instance type, if we want to use some other instance type and other ec2 instance, then we'll have to write terraform tfvars dot tf excuse me, that file that will override these default values. Okay, but this is the simple concept of creating multiple ec2 instances, okay, using for loop. Okay, the only thing we need to remember is the syntax. That's it, and that syntax also you can get in the documentation. No need of remembering it much. Okay, so let's complete this exercise as well. I'll create a directory ec2 cat main.tf terraform init, and I can also write terraform plan on the same line and terraform apply as well, and let's auto approve it just to save time. We are writing all the commands in one go. Okay, so instead of this semicolon, we can also use ampersand sign twice. So init plan and apply, all three we are doing in the same line. So let's see if we already have any instance there.